Hello, my name is Douglas Edwards, and this is TrinityTinyHomes.ca. This is our new innovative loft design, Amish built sheds. All our cabins have a double barn door with an innovative French screen double doors inside for great ventilation in your cottage bunkie. Hi, this is our loft design. This is an 8x12 shed with a 6x12 sleeping loft. This is a 8x12 with a 4-foot covered porch with a sleeping loft above. This is our hideaway loft system in our cabins. It's easy, stow, and go. Easy. Now we'll put it back up. And it's out of the way for daytime use.